welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to at least make $21 an hour working Instacart. Time is money, and our time is valuable as moms, as wives, as friends, as daughters. I mean, our time is valuable, and I'm a true believer in working smarter, not harder. Even though we all work hard, but it's best to work smarter, I guess. That's the saying. That's the saying. Anyway, if you could give this video a thumbs up, that helps me. This is a new channel, and I'm so excited for everything I'm going to be sharing on here. And it helps me out, and I am so grateful for any new subscribers. Hello. Every subscriber, I go, yay, because it's just fun. It's fun to be able to share knowledge and to also inspire people to either leave a 9-to-5 job or work a side gig. You want to go on vacation? Do some Instacarting after work. It's amazing how the money just starts to build up. Gosh, I'm a little long-winded, but if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. I also talk about my other side hustles, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and you won't want to miss all of that. I've made a lot of mistakes, and I'm going to teach you what not to do as well as what to do. So I've made mistakes too. And what I've realized to really maximize my time is to look at what the batch has to offer. So it's not just the dollar sign. It's not just, okay, it's $30 and it's 2.5 miles away from the house. Before, I would just hurry up and try to swipe it to get the batch. But now I'm also looking at item number, because I know that the item number, so how many items are in that order, has to match up with how much I'm making. So, for instance, I had this crazy Costco order. It was $59, and it was two service orders. So you're shopping for two people at one time. At Costco, it was 16 items, $59, 12 miles away. My brain took all of that in and said, this is great. This is perfect. It'll, at the max, take me an hour and a half from start to finish. So I swiped and accepted it. 16 items for $60. Wow, right? But you can also be enticed by seeing these $30 for 60 items. I know that's going to take me more than an hour to do. Therefore, I'm not going to be making that $30 for that hour. So that's really something I've learned over this past month, is to also take the item number into consideration. At first, I was just seeing how much the batch was going to pay and knowing, okay, that's how much I'm going to make that hour, and I'll accept that. So really, right now, I'm not accepting most things under $18 for 18 items. I don't know if that's crazy, but it's working for me. Being picky is working for me. I went out yesterday. I made $27 an hour. That was my average. I haven't learned how to, I'll try to screenshot and show you that right here, so that you can see what I did yesterday. But I'm realizing that the item number makes a big difference. So another one, for instance, it was for 3 tubs of ice cream. It was $16 for the batch. So tip and what Instacart was going to pay me. 3 tubs of ice cream. I mean, I was in and out and had them delivered within 25 minutes. I'll make $16 in 25 minutes. That's fantastic. So I am taking all that into consideration if it's lower than $20. So, you know, if it's, for instance, hopefully I'm making sense. For instance, if it's $30 and it's 45 items, I know it's going to take me probably an hour and 15 minutes. This is what I've been averaging from start to finish. So I have to be okay with making that. Now, if it's $30 for 30 items, an hour, I'm in and out, I've made $30 for that hour. So that is how I've been guaranteeing making $21 an hour. And trust me, I'm so enticed. I'm sitting there, I'm idle for 10 minutes, I'm enticed to take batches just to fill my time. But I have to tell myself, no, you need to be picky and it pays off in the end. So I sit just a little bit longer, and sure enough, something comes through. So I hope that helps you in picking batches, because it was something it was just trial and error. I mean, there was a couple weeks ago I was making $15 an hour, and I thought, whew, this isn't working. I'm burning gas. And mind you, I live in California, so oh my goodness, it's so expensive here. $15 an hour might be fantastic somewhere else, but when you're also burning gas and putting wear and tear on your car, $15 an hour wasn't going to cut it for me. I make way more on eBay and Poshmark. So anyway, I hope this helps. And today's Friday. I'm heading out right now. I am determined to beat the heat. It's super hot here. It's been like 105 and humid, which is unlike California. I'm going to beat the heat. Friday's amazing for Instacart, and I will make a video. Maybe I'll try to push that. You know, I will do exactly what I said today and see if I'm right. So far, it's been like that. I hope everybody has a great weekend. God bless, and I will see you soon.